YouTube family. How y'all feeling? How y'all doing tonight? Ignore the stuff in the background. That's my husband. He's in a rock and roll mood. Anyway, I'm just here to let y'all know what we bought today and all of the wonderful shopping that we did that you all are going to see earlier in the video. So let's get to it. So we're going to start right here with our variety pack of cookies. This is Sam's Club, Nabisco, all the delicious flavors for the kids and the hubby. Mrs. Freshley's Hershey's triple chocolate cakes, and this is the Reese's peanut butter flavor cupcakes. Now the kids like these, but they're really dense, so you can't eat a whole lot of them, and my husband eats these. Then we also picked up some Starburst candies. It's summertime, the kids like candy. I try to keep it around. These are for hubby and the kids, because you all know what I have to do to eat a piece of chocolate. Mike and Ike's. Who remembers Mike and Ike's? Aren't these the bombest candies in the world? They are certainly the bombest candies. I got the kids gummy bears, because they love gummy bears. I don't know this particular brand, but I figured gummy bears. And they look like fruit snacks, so they might be good. I don't know. I also picked up another bag of these Hershey's miniature chocolates. I actually like Mr. Goodbar, so I've been cheating and taking and eating ibuprofen so that I can have some chocolates. Nuts, strawberry flavored cookies. These are sugar cookies. They are delicious. I can only eat so many though, but these are delicious. Found this new jalapeno ranch. So we figured, well, why not try it? Let's give it a try. See what happens. You know, can't go wrong with that. I got the king size pouches, 36 of the Mott's. The kids actually like these fruit snacks. And since they are bigger, I'm trying to come out of buying the little baby size stuff, you know, because they're teens. So, you know, I'm trying to get them something they can actually use and they like. Corn dogs. Stay fair. 30 count. Easy, quick, super easy lunch. For some people, they don't like turning on their oven in the summertime. I don't have an issue turning on my oven in the summertime because I don't cook on the grill constantly and I can't afford to eat out all the time. So the oven gets turned on. Tasty cake cream filled snowballs. I don't remember picking these up. I guess husband picked these up. Maybe he likes them. He likes pink snowballs. I don't know. Here's that second box of Mott's. 2 boxes of the peanut butter Uncrustables. You know that my kids love these. This is a great early breakfast snack. Breakfast. Glass of milk or Nesquik chocolate milk. My kids drink coffee, so they can have it with their coffee. Whatever it is, it's all good. This is Freshley's Deluxe Oreo Brownies. My kids like these. My husband doesn't like these so much because they are so dense, but the kids love them. And I think my kids love just about anything that any adult likes. The cream cheese and chives Captain's Wafers crackers are for my husband for his lunches, and he also eats them as a snack. And I did get a box of full-size chocolate bars because sometimes, you know, the little minis just don't cut it. You know, you want you a real piece of candy, you know, a real piece of something. I picked this up at the Five Below. It's an LED towel holder. So it's supposed to change colors. So I'm hoping it works properly and I can put that in my bathroom. That's going to go a part of my bathroom makeover. And we were at Gabe's. I picked this up. It's a portable container. One, because when I put the cereal in it, the kids can actually get it themselves instead of the container that I have it in, because I don't want them to spill it all over the place. So that's why I got that. And now we're going to club the Downy Fresh Scent Beads. I think these were like $17, but you get a very big bottle. I got the 2 different smells. It's all good. Got the Energizer batteries. Got Gain laundry detergent and the Downy fabric softener. This is, if I could get it to focus, it is called Prime Connect. It's just a holder for your phone. And I figure since I'm trying to really do this channel and really show y'all stuff, I need this so I can, hold my camera and take it with me and set it up so y'all can get all the good angles. And I got me a pop socket so that I can hold my phone, especially when I'm in the store. It gets really tiring when you're trying to hold it a certain way. So I put that on there. Go put it that way. And of course I need a case because I am not attaching that pop socket to my phone. So that's the case. Then we got some gamer signs for the kids' rooms. And I found this metal bracket wall shelf. I'm gonna put this in my bathroom. Put some like greenery on it or something. Make it look nice. I think it was cute. Now we also went to Gabe's, and at Gabe's I picked up this infrared body thermometer. It was $5, regularly $19.99. And I picked this up for a kid who doesn't even want it, so I just have this. I'm like, I'll find a use for it. I find a use for everything in my house. And then we went to the Bath and Body Works, and of course I had to pick up my soaps. I got all different flavors because 6 for $26, you can't beat it, and everybody really likes these. I also picked up a car air freshener, but the car air freshener is actually in the car, so I just have the little liquid drink things here. And of course it's not going to focus, but it goes inside that in the car. They smell great. I like them. We also went to the Army Navy store, and I got this from the Army Navy because I don't have a lot of t-shirts, but I'm like, that's pretty cool. I like that. My husband picked up a few things which I'm not going to show. Okay. So that is it. I have a whole lot of leftovers from Red Lobster, so we're going to give those to the kids. So I'm about to put this all away, and y'all going to come along with me and get some work done, put the food away. We're going to do some cleaning, and we're going to get at it. Alright, catch y'all on the flip side. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new. Thank you for clicking on this video and joining your girl for a late night cleaning and put away and organization. For those who don't know, my name is Bethany. I am a wife and a mom. Everything on my channel has to do with mom life, wife life, the kind of life, adulting, and everything that comes along with that. Cooking, cleaning, organizing, renovations, makeovers, redos, and any shenanigans or foolishness that comes along with my children. If you're into that and you'd like to keep continuing to watch and maybe learn some things along the way, get some encouragement, some inspiration, and just have a good time, go on and click that subscribe button, smash that like, make sure you comment down below. If you're new, put your name, let me know what you're doing, introduce yourself so we can have a conversation and we can get into this. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on the video and hanging with your girl. Now, you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it.